Chief, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Sir, we are here to thank you for the opportunity you gave us. For the opportunity you gave us, because we have been looking for this golden opportunity, and we went to many people, but they don't have on us. But you gave us the opportunity to be acting with you. I personally have been looking for this golden opportunity, but I didn't see it coming until my friend here invited me for your production, and since I came, I've been acting. 2 weeks ago, I and my uncle, we were watching one of your films in African Magic, and my uncle was like, since you have been acting, we are yet to see you in African Magic. What's happening? I told her, I don't know what's happening. He said, okay, look at your friend. Your friend here, we have been watching her film. So I called her and told her, please, is there in any way you can link me up with Chiefimo production? She said, oh, then she called me to go participate in the movie that we just finished. And I just want to appreciate you. Many people have looked down. Sometimes they just call us to make jest of us, and after everything we will not see the movie will not come out. But your movies we have been seeing, and we have been participating. I just want to thank you, to appreciate you for the wonderful opportunity you have given to me personally and to my friends. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. 2 days ago, as we were coming back from location, people around here in Asaba are calling me Odioku, only because he gave me the opportunity to participate on that movie. I don't know how to say thank you. I don't even know where to start. I joined the movie so many years ago. I've been acting, but all the old movie, even in YouTube, I didn't send it. No payments, nothing. But everything we have been through until I met you, and by God's grace, God used you to turn my life around. I've been standing and people be calling me, we are watching your film, we are doing this, going around in Asaba where I don't know anybody. They are calling me Odioku, only because you gave me the opportunity. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you for the trust of my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You were like giving the role of getting out of back there. But now, you changed our lives. You changed our life. You turned us to something else. Why others created us? Who am I, sir? Sometimes we even pay for a role. Sometimes we pay money after everything. There was one that we went to Enugu to shoot. And after everything, they didn't pay us nothing. But here I collect my salary, we pay everybody, we pay on time, and still we still see our pictures, we still see our videos on African Magic. So thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's alright, stop crying. Sorry for everything. See, everything is all about God that makes a difference. All of us cannot be the same. I said it to myself, if it is only you people that I end up acting with, to God be the glory. I cannot have this name, and at the end of the day, nobody is being projected with it. I cannot answer a king alone. When you grow up no, I don't want to start to get it. And I value you people a lot. Sometimes people say, why Why not you change your concept? You see, always act with these things. I cried like a baby the day I come across that comment on one of our videos. I said, those people you call kings, God will turn them to kings. So I don't want you to cry again. I want you to be so proud of yourself. Do the things you know how best to do. Do not look on what people say. The first time Therefor and Comedy came to my set, there were many. There are other dwarfs that came along. There were many. I know how much one of them from Enugu came to me and said that every other location they have been to, people have regarded them to be gods. They will only use them on the shrine. Some use them as native doctors and all the rest of them. But the Chief Imo has given us the opportunity to act normal movie like normal human being we are. You paid us, you give us water, you give us food, everything. You have never for one day despised us or looked down on us. And I was so touched. I shedded tears like a baby. I said, how can people look down on a human being created by God? It is not all about money. It is not all about what we stand to gain. But I believe it is all about God that showed mercy. All my teachings, all my advices to you guys is for you to be presentable. Not because people reject you and you start seeing yourself as a rejected soul. No. When people say you can't do this, you can't achieve this, prove them wrong. Prove to them that you can even do more than exploit. You guys, you are a graduate. And she is. Most of us here are graduates. But when people look at it, they say, they can do it. They can fun. I hate it when people describe you guys as in the fun. And that is the reason I said it to myself, that you must become, if it is only you people that I promoted on my page to make sure you guys become something that people never expect. Who am I? To God be the glory. So please, I want you to wipe away your tears. You have a father in me. I will not disappoint you, but again, I don't even mind if you disappoint me. It doesn't really, for the fact that God will not disappoint me. If you disappoint tomorrow, it's okay by me. So please, hold on to your faith and don't do anything that will bring bad name to this company. Always stand on your ground. Always be eager to do good. And treat people equally. Even if people trample on you, they step on you, don't treat them badly. Always say good of people. That's one thing I keep saying. Give positive testimonies of people. Don't pick on the bad side of people and then capitalize on it. Because no man is perfect. Always take that good side. Over no matter maybe 100 bad, then make it one good. Leave those 99 and pick one out of that 100. And then keep on promoting it. But by the time you promote good, good will keep coming to you. People say, why is he progressing? He's doing juju. This is my juju. There's nobody who does good things that God does not favor. He has been favoring me from all around. So I don't want you people to feel depressed or feel belittled. But I want you to feel like a king you are. Okay? Come on, stop crying. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You know, I can't see. What do you offer? Stop. Stop. Remember I said I will get you a Igbo husband. So stop. I don't know. Come on.
Stop.
What is this? Drink. No. You don't need to go.
Please.
God bless you. God bless you. I appreciate this because it's coming from you people and from your heart. I take it. Normally I don't do this, but I'll take it. My children bought me a drink, so I'm happy. Viewers, you can see. Some people will say we staged this. They wanted to do this, but I said no. I need to put it here to also prove some people wrong. To let them believe that it's not all about money, it's not all about size, it's not all about money, it's not about a position. But it's all about the heart and God that showeth mercy. You cannot be the child and you tell that person not to cry. The Lord has beaten the fingers that fed them. But here are they saying thank you. We have so many gigantic personalities. We have so many big stars, big boys, big girls who have beautiful cars. But they have not come to say thank you. Rather, if maybe in one way or the other you offend them literally, they will capitalize on that. So please, today, I want you to learn how to do good. Appreciate them wherever you see them. If there's anything, any gift you want to give to any of them, there are plenty. More of them are not here. You have, I'm sure you have seen some of them. We have Miss Koi Koi, we have Bato, we have Nja, we have all of them, and so many others. You can send your gift across. They need our love, they need our support. Follow their pages. You're going to write it out. Follow their pages, support them. Let them also start doing like others. Make them feel we all are the same. I don't want to make it. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.